This is Taylor with Gary's Heating and Air. I'm on a safety and performance inspection today. And what I'm seeing on this onboard unit is that the capacitor has a lot of black oily stuff all over the top of it. So it's telling me before I check it that it's already coming out. Check that here in a minute. But what I also found was that this contactor is really black and pitted. As you can see, it's burnt right there. And you can also tell that it's starting to pit. So what happens if it gets any worse is that it cannot read the voltage going through it, and it won't turn the outdoor unit on, or it won't. It'll weld itself shut, and then it won't ever stop running. This is just one of the many things that we check on our club members' inspections. Give Gary's a call today and let us come out and check yours.